Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, so for today, we will be looking at gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is the process of producing gametes. Okay, gametes ni macam kamu tahu dia mesti melibatkan meiosis. Okay, and to produce haploid. Okay, sebab kita semua tahu, kita semua punya badan adalah diploid, 2N, 46 kromosom dan nak menghasilkan haploid. Okay, setengah daripada 46, half of the 46 which is 23. Okay, and so the first thing is spermatogenesis, okay, that takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, this is the cross-section of testes. Okay, dalam testis tersebut ada banyak tubules, okay, yang kita panggil sebagai seminiferous tubules. Okay, and this is where the sperm production will take place. And the next one is the process. Okay, in spermatogenesis, okay, there are 3 phases. Okay, the first one is the multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. Okay, the multiplication phase, okay, it will multiply by mitosis, okay, to form a spermatogenium. And this spermatogenium will develop into primary spermatocytes. Okay, masih lagi 2N, masih lagi diploid. Dan bila masuk maturation phase, okay, dia akan undergo meiosis 1 to form a secondary spermatocytes. So, and the thing is, after that, the secondary spermatocytes, okay, will undergo meiosis 2 to form spermatid. Okay, setiap daripada satu secondary spermatocytes, okay, dia akan hasilkan 2 spermatids. Dan 2 spermatids ini akan undergo differentiation, okay, untuk hasilkan head, okay, bahagian kepala sperm, midpiece dan juga tails. And the next one is the oogenesis. Okay, oogenesis bermula dengan primordial germ cells, okay, undergo mitosis, okay, to multiply, basically to increase the number of oogenium. And this oogenium masih lagi diploid, okay, bukannya haploid, masih lagi ada 46 number of chromosome. And this oogenium will develop into primary oocytes. And this primary oocyte will be encapsulated, okay, akan dikelilingi oleh follicles yang kita panggil dan menghasilkan primary follicles. So the primary oocyte, okay, will undergo meiosis but stops at prophase 1 during fetal development. Maksudnya, sebelum kamu lahir lagi, especially perempuan lah ya, okay, the female, okay, the process of oogenesis already occur inside the fetus, tapi berhenti dekat prophase 1. Okay, stop at the prophase 1. So during the birth, bila dilahirkan, okay, the baby girl, okay, will have millions actually of primary oocytes. Okay, bila dah multiply jadi oogeneum, jadi primary oocyte, maka ada banyaklah primary oocytes yang ada dalam baby girl tersebut. And this primary oocyte, okay, will develop into secondary oocyte when the girl reach puberty. Jadi maksudnya meiosis 1 is completed, maka terhasillah secondary oocyte. Okay, this one is the secondary oocyte and the first polar body. Okay, first polar body will degenerate lah, akan dibuang macam tu aja ya. And secondary oocyte will begin meiosis 2 and then halted. Okay, will be halted maksudnya akan stop at metaphase 2, forming 2 secondary polar bodies. Okay. Okay. This one, okay, secondary oocyte, okay, the first polar body ya, dia bukannya dia takkan dibuang, okay. The first polar body, okay, will undergo meiosis 2, okay, forming 2 secondary polar bodies, okay, these two. And the secondary oocyte, okay, bila berlakunya ovulation, okay, so secondary oocyte tu terkeluar daripada ovary, masuk ke dalam fallopian tube, and sperm dia akan penetrate, dia akan masuk ke dalam secondary oocyte, maka complete lah, cukup lah meiosis 2. Okay. And then meiosis 2 will produce ovum. Okay, ovum ni maksudnya bila dah berlakunya penetration antara sperm dan juga secondary oocyte and forming the polar body. Okay, tadi first polar body tu yang di atas, okay, sebelum meiosis 2. Dan bila meiosis 2 akan hasilkan 2 polar bodies. Tapi bila berlakunya penetration antara sperm and secondary oocyte, akan hasilkan ovum dan juga 1 polar body. And this polar body will degenerate. Okay, dia akan matilah. So after ovulation, okay, the remaining follicle, kalau berlakunya fertilization, okay, Graafian follicle yang Graafian follicle, okay, follicle tersebut akan menjadi corpus luteum dan will continue to grow and secretes estrogen and progesterone. Okay. Tapi, however, if there is no fertilization, okay, the corpus luteum yang dihasilkan daripada follicle tadi will dies and degenerate and will be removed through the menstruation. Okay, the structure of sperm and Graafian follicle. Okay, sperm basically sangat simple ya, dia tak susah sangat. Spermatogenesis basically is quite simpler compare with the oogenesis. Dia banyak sikit, dia ada polar body, dia ada secondary polar body semuanya tu. Okay, sperm dia ada 3 bahagian. Okay, ada head, midpiece, then tail. Okay, tail ni for moving. Midpiece is where a lot of mitochondria is situated in the midpiece. Okay, head is where the nucleus situated. Dalam head tu ada 23 lah, 23 chromosomes. And graphene follicle. Okay, a secondary oocyte is a last cell. This is the secondary oocyte. Okay, yang color hijau. Dan diselubungi oleh gel-like substance. Kita panggil sebagai follicle cells. Dan secondary oocytes bergabung dengan follicle cells, maka akan terhasillah graphene follicle. Maksudnya satu ni kita panggil sebagai graphene follicle. Okay.